Picture this, sweltering summer days turning your room into a sauna. That was me until I found these portable air conditioners. With adjustable cool settings and fan modes, I now control the temperature in my space effortlessly, whether chilling solo or catching a breeze with friends. And get this, they're energy efficient. My power bill took a nosedive while I stayed cool, thanks to those smart compressors and low power consumption. It feels great saving money while staying comfy. Plus, moving them around is super easy. No more struggling with installations or huge units. Perfect for apartment living or when you need to shift things around. So why suffer in the heat? Grab one today and turn your summer around. Click below and chill out in style.